Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the fallen mirror and its mounting components to determine what's reusable. If the glass or plate is intact, you can salvage parts. If clips are shattered, plan to replace them. Grab a plastic pry tool, a 10 mm socket, a Torx T20, and automotive mirror adhesive or epoxy. Work in the shade so adhesive cures predictably. Once done, keep the car stationary and the mirror supported while you proceed to remove the inner door panel or service whole cover. Once you have interior access, disconnect the mirror wiring so it won't snag. Align the mounting plate with the door studs and hand thread 2 bolts to hold orientation. This prevents cross-threading. If clips were broken, either install replacement clips or spread mirror adhesive thinly across the plate backing to bond glass to housing. Press the mirror evenly into place, ensuring studs seat fully. Make minor adjustments before bolts are torqued, so the mirror sits at the correct angle and wiring routes cleanly. After seating the mirror, tighten bolts to the correct torque. Over-tightening can crack plastic, so go steady. Reconnect the wiring and refit the door panel or access cover once secure. Test the mirror's motor and heater and cycle the adjustment to confirm proper range. If adhesive was used, allow the recommended cure time before driving at highway speeds. If you hear rattle or the mirror shifts, immediately check bolt torque, confirm replacement clips are seated, and add adhesive to any gaps to ensure a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.